the field of divine intelligence and how we have a hotline to this higher intelligence. First, I want to mention Max Planck again. He's the scientist who showed that we are more energy than matter, more wave than particle. He was also the guy who won the Nobel Prize for finding the quantum field. And now, years later, this field can be measured and has been measured by certain scientists and certain experiments. It is no longer just theory that such a unifying field exists. Another person I want to make mention of is Dr. Rupert Sheldrake. He was another scientist who studied, researched, and wrote heavily on the field of intelligence that we all share. He referred to it as a morphogenetic field, but this is really the same thing as a quantum field. At this point, I just want to simply run through a few terms that are basically synonymous with each other. The first set of terms all represent the same concept, and they all mean really to describe the same thing. So chi, as I've described it so far, is the life force energy that runs through us. Chi is also the universal energy of the quantum field. It is also source energy, mana or prana. It is also called the divine intelligence, the loving intelligence, or the intelligent love. It has also been described as the ether. All these terms refer to the same concept, the energy that makes up the quantum field. Another set of terms that I want to also make synonymous with one another is the quantum field, which is also known as the unified field, the field of information, the field of energy, the universal field of energy and information. Also the morphogenetic field, as I mentioned. It is also called the Planck field of energy. And all these terms refer to the same concept, the field of energy and information that connects us all. So the first set of terms really describes the essence of the quantum field, and the second set of terms really mostly describes the quantum field itself. Now, the source of the material world and what connects it all together is really this unified field of energy and information, or frequency, more like electromagnetic waveforms. Nothing is isolated. We're all one. We're all connected. And there is constant communication and information transfer and information exchange between all material components of our world, including inanimate objects. Believe it or not, everything has a vibratory essence. Everything. Everything is in constant emission and absorption of photons. Nothing is isolated. And everything communicates via energy. We are in constant energetic exchange with everything around us, with each other, and with every single thing that we are encountering in our world. Everything is energy first, and then matter. Everything is created twice, first in the realm of thought or consciousness in the field of energy, and then it's translated into the material form. So the energetic waveform and the material form are interconnected with one another. They're not separate, and they are in constant exchange